Hey guys, let's solve a concurrent force system with two unknown forces together. Let's see what we've got here. We know the force of the vector F1 and the angles of the two unknown forces F2 and F3 with regard to the x-axis. To make things easier, we divide the forces into their respective x and y components. As this is a static system, we know that the sum of all x and y components must be 0. Let's use trigonometric functions to describe the components with respect to theta and phi. Now we substitute the specific angles and radians for the variables theta and phi. Using commonly known values for the sine and cosine functions, we can rewrite the equations. Next, we rearrange the x equation so that we can establish a relationship between the two unknown forces. This will be useful later. We do the same for the y equation as well. Notice how both the x and y equations still have two unknowns. However, as you can see, we can now substitute the expression for F2 from the x equation into the y equation. Now the only unknown in the y equation is F3. Now we can express the unknown force F3 as a function of the known force F1 by bringing both F3 terms to the left-hand side and performing just a few minor rearrangements. As you can see, F3 is now fully defined. However, the force F2 remains unknown. But notice that we can simply substitute the expression for F3 into the expression for F2. After a few minor rearrangements, F2 now is fully defined as well. Since we know the force of the vector F1 to be 4 newtons, we can now finally determine specific values for F2 and F3. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more simple mechanics explanations.